Hi, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, advanced clinical nutritionist, and inventor of ASTR. I'm also a cancer survivor. I used to suffer from chronic fatigue, migraines, headache, pain before I invented ASTR specialty. I work with chronic complex pain patients who have seen multiple providers spend thousands of dollars but still in pain. If that sounds like you, I want to explain how the 4-day intensive works. This program is designed for chronic conditions such as neck pain, back pain, TMJ pain, headache, migraines, trigger fingers, occipital neuralgia, frozen shoulders, and other conditions that have not responded to traditional care. Before anyone come to the clinic, we begin with 1 hour telehealth evaluation. During that session, I will review full history, prior treatments, medications, lifestyle, and if needed, I will recommend lab work to evaluate vitamins, minerals, hormonal imbalance, and inflammation. Many patients start to implement nutrition and lifestyle changes before coming to the clinic, and that helps to improve the response to the treatment. Once you come to the clinic in Claremont, Florida, outside of Orlando greater area, we will start the treatment immediately. Each day, you are seen for approximately 1 hour and 40 minutes. This is a comprehensive, holistic approach for patient care. During our first session, I will focus on manual therapy utilizing ASTR tools to release fascia restrictions, scar tissue, trigger points, muscle spasm, and inflammation. We will also begin to implement ASTR anti-inflammatory nutrition protocol at that time. Sessions 2 to 4 will continue hands-on treatment while addressing proper posture, body mechanic, ergonomics, lifestyle changing, and exercises to maximize long-term pain relief. All patients will be given customized discharge plan by the time they leave the clinic, so they know exactly what to do to continue the progression they have made. I believe in pain-free treatment. Pain is the way our body protects itself. Everything I do with patient is gentle, precise, and structured. An average patient without significant health issues will be discharged back to normal or very close to normal by the time leaving the clinic. So,
Psych herself up.
Okay, just a minute.
you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna take your time.
Okay. Because this to me is a miracle. For 30 years, I got up this way.
So for 30 years.
For 30 years.
Yeah.
And I usually had to have help. And then I would jerk all the way up. And if I sat down, I spread my legs. And I'd have to reach back and grab something and kind of fall into the chair, which would instantly give me pain all the way down.
Yeah, I remember the first day touching your leg,
And
you were in a lot of pain. For patients with significant health issues or taking medication, will still see meaningful progress during the 4 days. These patients may need to continue adjusting their diet, lifestyle, addressing inflammation after returning home. When patients are consistent and compliant, we continue seeing very positive outcome even with complex conditions. People often ask, Why the treatment sessions must be consecutive. Chronic pain usually develop over time and involve multiple factors. Concentrated treatment allow us to develop momentum every day without gap to address the root cause of the problem. Because this is an intensive program, capacity is limited and each case reviewed carefully before acceptance. If you believe this aligns with what you're looking for, I invite you to fill up the request case review form below. We will review your case and determine the appropriate next step. I look forward to help you understand the underlying root cause of your pain and guide you toward long-term pain relief.